something going here.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Forever Tati, and I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by to another video. If you are new, hello, my name is Tatiana. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be attempting vixen curls. I will try to link the video that I got inspired by down below in the description box. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime I make a video, and enjoy the rest of the video. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye. Okay guys, so first off, I went ahead and put some layers in the hair. The back has just a little bit, not too much, but most of it is in the front right here. If you want to know how I layer my hair, I will have a video either up after this or before this. I'll link it at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the hair and put these clips on, and then I'll be right back. Guys, so I separated my hair. This is what it looks like. This is the flat iron that I'm gonna be using. I got this in my FabFitFun box, and it goes up to 450 degrees, and the lowest degree is 140. So I actually put mine in the middle, like around 320. So yeah, I know you probably cannot see the inside, but I put mine in the middle. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try and link the video that I found in the description box, because I attempted, but as you guys can see, it went terribly wrong. So what she did was, she placed the iron with the hair, I hope you guys could see, and then she flipped it around and then pulled down. Okay, I kind of got something going here. If you guys can hear my niece crying in the back, I am so sorry. Okay, I kind of got something going on here. Oh my gosh, no, I'm not getting it. Ugh. Okay, yeah. I think that's much better. So I think what it was is that I just had too much hair. So this is how the back is looking. Oh my gosh. I think I kind of messed it up because it's already looking kind of like, you know, fade out, but I still think it's cute. Alright, let's move on to the bang area next. So in the video that I watched, the young lady said that she tried her best to curl on an angle. So instead of parting the hair straight across like this, she would do it in an angle, so that, oh, this is terrible. Alright, boom. She'll do it in an angle so that when she curls it, it goes backwards. There we go.